There will be days when nothing makes sense, when the world feels quiet, too quiet, when the dreams you believed in feel far away, when everything in you wants to stop, to give up, to walk away. But in those moments, that's when it matters the most. Keep going anyway. You see, strength isn't proven when things are easy. It's proven when you keep showing up, even when it's hard. When you wake up after another sleepless night, when your chest feels heavy, when the motivation is gone and no one's watching, but you try again anyway. That's real courage. Not the loud, dramatic kind, but the quiet one, the kind that whispers, just one more step. Maybe nobody claps for you today. Maybe nobody sees the effort you're putting in. But your growth, your pain, your progress, it's still real. So keep going anyway, because you're not weak for feeling tired. You're human. And yet here you are, still breathing, still moving, still fighting. That's not weakness, that's power, that's resilience. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to keep moving, even if it's slow, even if it's messy, even if no one believes in you right now. Progress isn't always pretty, but it's still progress. Every fall teaches you how to rise. Every tear teaches you how to heal. Every delay, every detour, every disappointment, it's all shaping something in you. And that something will be worth it. So when the voices in your head tell you to stop, tell them this: not yet, I've come too far. Because you have. Look back for a second. You've survived things you thought would break you. You've healed from pain that once felt permanent. You've kept going before, and you can do it again. There's always a reason to quit, but you're different. You're not here to give up halfway. You're here to finish. You're here to grow. You're here to rise. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it hurts. Yes, some days will feel like too much. But I promise you, it won't always feel like this. The storm will pass, the fog will lift, and when it does, you'll realize that all this struggle was not in vain. You were being prepared, you were being sharpened, so that one day, when the light finally breaks through, you'll be ready to shine. So take a breath, wipe your tears, rest if you need to, but don't you dare quit. Not today, not now. Keep going anyway, because what's waiting for you, it's worth the fight, it's worth the pain, it's worth the wait, and more than that, you're worth it. You've always been, even if they didn't see it, even if you didn't believe it. You are worthy, you are capable, you are enough. Not tomorrow, not someday, right now, as you are, so walk on. Even with shaking legs, even with a tired heart, even when the road seems endless, keep going anyway. Because one day, you'll look back and realize this. This was the moment you refused to quit. This was the moment everything began to change.